What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com. Today, I successfully completed my second project. This was a success. I just didn't do anything with it. So I keep showing you guys this one because I still haven't done nothing with it. But this was, I guess, my first successful project with this machine. And I just successfully completed project, I guess, number 3. I don't know. I'll tell you guys what happened. So I still have not calibrated this machine, but I will go ahead and do that right now in the same video or whatever. It's going to be how to calibrate the LOKLiK iCraft to get the perfect cuts and everything. Well, without me even calibrating this thing, I did get 2 perfect cuts already, but I think it was perfect because I did not do a print and cut. Like I keep showing you guys these little things too. The print and cut, it was off. I didn't calibrate it, but now I'm ready to today. So the way I have to do this is it gave me this calibration sheet that I will be sticking onto our green mat in just a second. And then it's gonna get as close as it can to these lines. These lines are cutting all on top or all on the bottom or all off angle or whatever. But you see one that's perfect, you'll say, okay, section A, line number 9 was the best one. So we're gonna go with 9, and then you tell the machine, A is this number, C is this number, and then it calibrates it and everything. So we're going to do that in just a second. But I'll show you guys what I did do and the finished project, and then we're going to rewind and stuff like that. So this was the first thing that I cut for the project. There's nothing on it. It's just stiffened felt, and it did an amazing cut. Now, I did an embroidery project today for a customer, and this is the size they paid for. This is a 5x7 size, the maximum that I can do in my small embroidery machine, right? So I showed them, well, I didn't have this on me at the time, but I said, 5x7 is about this big, is that what you want? They paid me, they tipped me, this is actually their second time coming back to me, and they just trusted and believed in what I can do in my abilities and what I did on the previous projects for them, as well as the previous projects for myself, like this hoodie. And shout out to my guys, you feel me? So I showed them this. They said they wanted that. But then when I got the jacket, this is the where's the little thing at? Yeah, so this is the jean jacket that we embroidered on today. I did it on the back. I'll show you guys in just a second. But with them trusting me and my abilities and just telling me, hey, whatever you think is best, I really appreciate that. So what I went ahead and did is I kind of upgraded them. So free upgrade, I'll show you guys. This joint came out of this right here. Boom, perfect cut. But look how much larger this jacket back was that I actually ended up going with. So I don't have this one to show you guys, but I will show you guys the finished project right now. Please do hit the thumbs up button. And also, if you guys are looking for this machine, get it right now. The link is going to be in the description. Boom, y'all. This is the finished project. So I went ahead and again used the LOKLiK iCraft to go ahead and cut out my material. Which way is it? Is it this way? I think it's this way. Boom, so y'all can see. Perfect cut. One pass right off the machine that I told you guys I was going to be using this in line with embroidery, and it helps me out. Now I no longer have to get the scissors and do all the, the cuts and everything. Perfect cut the first time. I did it twice, 2 different sizes. Went right through the felt. This is stiffened felt, by the way, so it's not the super flimsy, but it's got some weight to it. And yeah, the cutout came out well, and the embroidery came out well. Let me stand up real quick to show you guys. By the way, this was the customer's idea, but my design. So they just said, I wish I could show you, but I'm using my phone. Matter of fact, I'll do it from right here. Actually, I can't because they sent it to me. I don't have access to it from this device here, but I'll throw it on screen. This is the picture that they sent to me, and I didn't want to try to do something exactly as that. So I did my own thing. And the reason why it's better to do your own thing is because not only did I make this and personalize it to the colors that they wanted, but since it's my design, I could possibly redo this for a different customer if I wanted to, and you know, take the name off or change the name, change the colors and everything like that. So one thing I don't do is if a customer sends me a design and I replicate their exact design, even if somebody else likes it, I do not sell customers designs. However, this one is a little bit different. The customer just said, hey, I want a black nurse with locks, add her name to it, and I sent her a handful of ideas, a handful, maybe like 5 different versions or whatever, when we was working on, you know, when it was unfinished, when I threw the color on there. Then she asked me to change the color, then we took the name off. It was a separate thing on the bottom, then I tried to put it on the left side and the right side, and you know, it was just a bunch of different stuff, so it was going back and forth. And then this is what I came up with, and they said they loved it. They gave me the jacket today, and I went ahead and stitched it out today. Everything is all complete today. So I can't get everything done in one day, but with the other tasks that I had on hand, in addition to this, I did get it done in one day. So that's real nice. And we're going to do a little side by side too. Again, this is what the customer paid for, right? 5x7. But this is what I ended up giving them, man. Way bigger, a way bigger design. And I think it just came out amazing because it actually does cover up that whole little intersection with the jacket back, you know? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we're gonna make it even better. Shout out again to the LOKLiK iCraft cutting machine. Link in the description. I keep saying it. I'm gonna keep saying it in future videos as well, because now it's a success. So now let's go ahead and actually calibrate this thing. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys real quick. So of course I designed this design. I don't got to keep showing y'all. I designed it with the embroidery software. However, since I actually learned how to do like files for cutting machines and stuff way before I learned embroidery, it was very easy. And I kind of just backtracked and like did a couple different things. So anyways, this is the I forget the name of this, but this is the LOKLiK software. And is it just called LOKLiK? I don't know. But anyways, that is the silhouette right there for the cutout that we did. So I put that bad boy on the software, told it to cut. It's very simple, very easy, as y'all can see right there. Now, where's my canvas at? Okay. So now, if y'all can see up close, we got the canvas, and let's go ahead and get this thing calibrated. So this is the denim jean jacket that I just went ahead and embroidered. Brand new thing right here. Customer gave me the idea. They wanted a black female nurse with locks. So I went ahead and created this. This is my own design. So if anybody wants something similar, maybe you want different colors, of course I could take the name off, switch the name up, whatever. Let me know. We can work with it. Send me a text, call me. Matter of fact, don't call me, but text me if you have my number already, but I ain't giving out my number. If you don't got my number, just send me an email. Go to the website, neverdenieme.com, and we can get something like this made for you too. By the way, this is a really big design. You dig?